Starting today, we will begin a new series, focused on constellation. Let's start our first session by designing views with constellation for an existing case type. In Pega Constellation, it is recommended to use App Studio to configure user interfaces. Let's log into the application and navigate to App Studio. We already have a case type called incident. In this session, we will create a view associated with this case type. Now, let's navigate to the Data option to view the list of data objects created for this application. Click on the Dictionary Data object, then go to the Records tab. By reviewing the records, we can observe the relationship between the incident type and the incident subtype as below. Here, we have the Add Record option to create new records. If we move to Data Pages tab, we can see the data pages created to this data type. First, let's see how to add fields to the incident case type. Here, you can see the workflow of the case type. We will add fields and views to determine incident type step. Click on the Data Model tab. You can see all the available fields here. Let's add the incident type and the incident subtype as new fields. When we click on Add Field button, we are getting a pop-up like this. Let's fill the data. Field name. Incident type. Type will be the pick list. Displays as a drop-down. Pick list option. Let's select Data Page. In the next drop-down, select Dictionary. List Dictionary filtered. We can see the Data View Parameters session. Let's fill it. Submit and add another. And add the field incident subtype. Fill the data as shown. List Dictionary filtered is the list data page we have seen in the Data Page tab of the Dictionary data type. Okay, let's configure the Determine Category view. Navigate to the UX tab in the case type. If we look at the rightmost tabs, you can see the Full Page View and Other Views tabs. This UI is configured in the Full Page View tab. Click on Other Views. Here we can see two sections called Partial and Form. We will discuss about these two later. Select Determine Category under Form section. In the Fields section, let's add the two fields Incident Type and Incident Subtype. You can observe that the fields are automatically added to the UI. If you want to change the order, you can drag and drop the fields in the order you want. Let's check the field configuration by clicking the gear icon. Here we have all the options to configure, instead of having different tabs like in UIKit or Cosmos controls. Change the required conditions to always. Do the same configurations in the incident subtype field. Additionally, we need to set a visibility condition here. So select Custom Condition. Click on the gear icon. Select the field and the condition. In Constellation, automatically saves changes to views when the changes are submitted. To modify the instructions, select Override Case Step Instructions in the Instructions list. In the Instruction Text field, add the text as per the requirement. Now let's check where to set the helper text. Open the gear icon next to the field. Add the helper text in the Input Settings field. Save the changes. Let's come to the last part. Confirm the work. Here, in the header we can see Preview option. Click on Preview. Create a new incident. Click Next, without selecting a value, and you can see an error message. Select a value for the incident type field. Confirm that the incident subtype field is displayed. Click Next, without selecting a value, and you can see an error message. Select a value for the incident subtype, and then click Next. In this video, we covered a basic view configuration in Constellation. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.